In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The news. Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Akhund met with the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs and the CEO of Delta International of Saudi Arabia. Azerbaijan's state oil and gas company is interested in making investment in Afghanistan. And 1.5 million Palestinians in Gaza in need of shelter. Welcome to our today news package. It's Saturday, the 3rd of Jamadul Awal 1447, the 3rd of Agrab 1404, and the 25th of October 2025. The news details. Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Akhund, the Deputy Prime Minister for the Economic Affairs, met with Shahr al-Naqid, the CEO of Saudi Arabia company Delta International. Based on the office of the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, Zalmay Khalilzad, the former U.S. Special Envoy for Afghan Peace, was also present at the meeting. Both sides discussed exploration and extraction of natural gas as well as connection of gas pipelines. The CEO of Delta International expressed the company is interested in investing in Afghanistan's oil and gas sector and pledged to share the technical experience with the Afghan engineers. Dr. Mohammad Faisal, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Azerbaijan, met with Mr. Kanan Najafov, the deputy director of the state oil company of the Republic of Azerbaijan, SOCAR. The Afghan embassy in Baku reported that the meeting focused on expanding trade cooperation, encouraging oil exports, addressing transportation challenges, and other related issues. In accordance with the embassy, Mr. Najafov expressed SOCAR's interest in strengthening cooperation with Afghanistan and voiced his hope to visit Afghanistan in the near future. The news continuation. Maulavi Najibullah Hayat Haqqani, the Minister of Urban Development and Housing, visited Sheikh Matababa and Majid Zabuli, the residential project in Khalat, the capital of Zabul province. The minister stated that the purpose of the Minister Haqqani's visit was to assess the condition of the housing project, identifying the existing challenges, and hold consultative meetings with the local officials to develop future urban development plans. During the visit, Minister Haqqani announced that the construction of the second phase of the Sheikh Matibaba township and its allocation for the returning refugee would begin soon. He reaffirmed the minister's commitment to addressing urban development needs, ensuring proper city planning, and providing housing for the returning families in Khalat. And here's the last news. The International Organization for Migration, IOM, has announced that at least 1.5 million Palestinians in the Gaza Strip are currently in urgent need of shelter. In its latest report, the organization stated that hundreds of thousands of residents are returning to their homes only to find them destroyed or uninhabitable, forcing many to use sacks of flour and rice as makeshift protection. The IOM added that despite the ceasefire, systematic restrictions, including customs delay, limited border crossings, and ongoing insecurity, continue to hinder humanitarian assistance efforts in Gaza. We've reached to the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wishing all our viewers a blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.